All right, I'm back to YouTube here, making some videos, getting ready to start on the truck and take the motor out and try to fix that. But I thought I would go ahead and share a little bit of information on this car here. I'm sure you guys seen it in the background and everything, and pardon me, but it's cold out here, man. It's like 20 degrees with the wind blowing. It was just 60 or so yesterday, or was it? Maybe it's the day before. But anyways, yeah, I was gonna do like a little cold start. Well, I've already warmed it up, but kind of let you hear what it sounds like and stuff. This car has a LQ9 GM LS 6-liter in it with a sloppy stage 2 camshaft. It's got the long tube headers on it. Nothing real special, nothing real fancy. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes, a Curry 9-inch Ford rear end, a Tremec TKO 600 5-speed. Yeah, it's just a good cruiser, man. It runs 12s on street tires. I can cruise 80 miles an hour all day, get about 20, I don't know, 18 to 20 miles of the gallon cruising, you know, like that. This is a good, reliable cruiser, man. I kind of got into the drag racing bug with it, and then found out that all I was doing was working on it all the time and not getting much use out of it. So I took the big block out of it, done the LS stuff, and I mean, yeah, I miss the torque, just the brute 600 foot-pounds of torque, but at the same time, I just wasn't getting to use it that much, and it just seemed like every time I turned around, something was wrong with it, you know, and it was taking too much maintenance and work to just keep it going. So that's why I went with the LS route. I know a lot of people don't like that, but I mean, it's what I want, you know what I mean? It works for me. So we'll do a little start and let you hear it, and just let you know I'm back. So we'll be pulling a motor here out of the 72. I'm going to do that tomorrow because it's supposed to warm up, and try to get that fixed, because I'm ready to drive that truck. I've done so much work on it that I'm just ready, you know. And I've been doing this remodeling project on this bathroom, and the light is at the end of the tunnel on it, so I'll be back to working on some car stuff. So got a lot coming up, but let's see what this thing sounds like. I'll do like another review on this car, kind of giving you information like how I got it, how long I've had it, what all changes I've done, what all I have planned for it in the future, where I'm going with it, you know. Right now, I don't have anything in the near future to do to it. It's pretty much where it is, you know, at this point, what I want to do with it. But I will make a few little subtle changes and everything. But yeah, it's just kind of nice to have one that works and I can take it and drive it anytime and everything. And I've already done a lot of work, and it's just, I'm ready to work on some other stuff, you know. But it's just nice to have it that way I can go cruising while I'm working on other things. So yeah, I'll do a review on this car and like a drive around and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so stay tuned.